Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Goals. So today it's another video on how to earn money by selling products online. So if you're looking out for a free option or free alternative to Etsy or Shopify, this is a great choice. So here I'm going to walk you through the process, start up an online store and get money falling in. So yeah, let's start off with the video. Now this is the website guys. This is storenvy.com. Here it is very similar to Etsy. You can earn money in this website with two ways. One is selling your products in marketplace. As you can see, there are so many products listed in this homepage. So if you want your products to be listed here in the homepage or at least reach on top first 3 products in the search list, then you should get a lot of viewers to your products or listing, and also engagement. A lot of engagement is required in order to get on top of it, because this is working really very similar to the social media platforms. So if you want to open a store, click on open a store icon that you can see. I will leave the link in the description box below guys. If you want, you can click on it and start a store right now. Now here, this is the page where it will be leading you to create a store. So this is completely free guys. There is no subscription fees. There is nothing upfront. It's actually free. You can upload up to 1000 listings or 1000 products you can upload here for free. After that, you might be have an option to upgrade your plan, because upgrading it you can upload unlimited products. Now this is the way guys you're going to upload your product. You can choose either marketplace or your own store, or both. It's up to you, and then people have to see it and they have to buy. Now here it is not going to be like Etsy. There's no one to promote your products. Only you have to promote it by sharing it to your social media handles and other places where people can see and start buying it. So that's all guys. There is no upfront cost. There will be a transaction fee for every sale that you are going to make here. This is actually so easy. There is no professional skills required, because it is like drag and drop, easily customizable online store. So here in this free store, if you have a own domain name, you can link it by around $5. They will charge you $5 if you are going to link your own domain. Or if you don't want your own domain, or if you don't have it, you can use one of the free domains that they are offering. But the free domains has its own cons. Like the free domain will look like mystore.storenvy.com. So the storenvy branding will be there in your domain name. So as you can see, these are the 3 subscription plans that they have. I think this is much better guys, because in Etsy or Shopify I have to pay upfront $29 in Shopify, and for Etsy for each listing I have to pay 15 rupees or $0.02. So I think that will sum up to somehow $29 or above. So as you can see, in the free you can have up to 1000 products, and there will be cart abandonments, which is like if someone is going to add your product in the cart and they are not going to buy, they will get an email reminding them to buy. So that is a great option. And that's all guys. I think that is pretty fine. You will get paid through PayPal or Stripe. So now to get started off, just click on open a store. You can either choose join with Facebook if you have Facebook account, or you can use email address. I will be choosing this email address. I will type my username. So after filling up all the details and confirming my email address, I will be end up to this page. Now before moving on to the second part of this video, try subscribing and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now here, this is my dashboard. I have created it with my older name, D Shirtsley. I already have this name in my spreadshirt.com store, so I just opted to use it here. You can customize it guys. You can customize the store, the color of it, font and everything, the way it looks like, the layout of it and everything. You have lots of option. It is really easy, drag and dropping and just moving the cursor. I think you can pretty much manage that. Now here this is the dashboard where you can see how much orders you have got, what is the total shipping price, also you can actually upload it, and so much more. So the orders tab will show you how much orders you have, and you also have another option which I think that is great here is you can give your own coupon code. So if you have something like flash sale or some seasonal sales, you can give some coupon codes to your customers, which it will boost your sale. Now here you can give shipping charges for each country if you wish, or you can give some standard shipping charges. So here you can do that, customizing it. So here they have given some standard shipping charges, but you can customize according to the delivery partner that you are choosing. So that's all about the shipping. Here it is storefront. This storefront is where you create your own store, and that is acting something like your own personal online store. But in free version you will obviously be going to have that storenvy branding everywhere. So that comes with the free version, guys, that you cannot exclude it in any of these websites that I have seen. So in product, you will be uploading your products. I have 0 products because I opened the store brand new just now. I will be adding new products after this video might be. Yeah, so I will also leave the link of this store, my store, in the description box below. If you want, you can have a look at it, like how I have customized it and all. So this is 0 orders. It's obviously because I haven't posted any of my products, so I won't get any orders now, but soon I will be posting a lot of products. And as you can see, there is another great option that you can choose what status the order is, like if it is open, shipped, or on hold, pending, or cancelled. So you can choose that and select for the orders for the people to get know what status the order is in. So that's all about this order station. You can also print the receipt when people orders it. You can get everything once the order is confirmed. So next we'll move on to marketing tab. As I have already told you guys, there is an option to give this coupon code and everything. So this comes with Plus and Pro plan. I'm really sorry, guys. We need Plus or some subscription plans in order to avail that coupon codes. So in free version, we won't be able to give coupon codes. So for every order that you get through the storefront, I mean your own online store you have, right? That is called as storefront. So from that, if you're going to get orders, you will be charged 5% from the transaction fees for every order. If you're going to hide it, like you have an option to hide if you want, you can add that extra 5% in your own order fee. Like people won't know that they are actually paying it for store envies, handling fees, something like that. Or you can leave it as it is, which will show as a default store envy handling fee, which people will have to pay if they're going to buy your product. So that's all about the video, guys. If you really like it, give it a thumbs up. It will be a great boost for me. And if you want more videos like this, do comment it below with your suggestions. I'm really open to your great suggestions. I really love that and I encourage it. So meet you all in the next video, guys. If you have any doubts, do comment it below. I will make sure I answer it as soon as possible. And yeah, guys, meet you all again with another great legit video on making money online. So until then, bye and thank you.